Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix copyright claim on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to fix copyright claim into your TikTok, just simply open any of your browser. And after opening the browser, search TikTok copyright help into there. Then this first site will appear. Click into that. Then it will lead you to the page of copyright into TikTok. Just simply scroll down a bit. You will get this what to do if your content has been incorrectly removed for copyright infringement. Into here, just simply click into this counter notification form, and after that you can send a report to TikTok. Now you just simply have to enter your full legal name into here and then enter your email address. After that, phone number, physical address and TikTok username. And after that, just simply select one of these two options. Now you just simply have to enter the report number of your reported content, and after that the date and time when you posted the reported content. And after that you just simply have to describe the reported content, and after doing that just simply identify the location and URL of the content into this box. Then just simply write down about your account status or content status and explain why do you believe if your content is incorrectly reported for copyright into the last box. Then sign your name electronically into here. Then after that click to the submit button, then submit this report. And after doing all that, TikTok will send you a report based on the form that you have just filled. And after that your problem might be fixed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.